That's the first running of my Mall 6, which I just got from a buddy of mine. Doesn't have a shut-off that I know of, so pull the spark plug wire. The tank was filled with very sweet-smelling gas, so I drained the tank, cleaned it with some nuts and bolts and kerosene, cleaned the carburetor, and there she goes. It's got a 5-foot bar and was made around 1945-46. It's a beast of a saw. Once I get it all cleaned up, I'm not sure how much I'm going to clean it up really, but I'm going to degrease the bottom end of it. I'll take it to the cabin and cut some wood. I got the chain in the garage. The chain's a beast too. Takes 2 people to run. There's a handle for the guy in the front. Right here. So the guy in the front holds that handle and adds oil to the oil holes. That was back when where men were men and sheep were scared. So, until next time, thanks for watching.